This is Libby Radico, Century 21 Farm and Forest, standing on the front porch of Brandy Goulet's listing at 588 Breezy Hill Road in Barton. You can see from the front porch here, you have a nice view out over the mountains, especially when there aren't leaves on the trees. And we're going to start by heading in. So here we are, there's this unheated space, probably insulated unheated space here on the front. Nice mudroom storage space before you head into the rest of the house. And that takes you into this nice big utility space. There's a wood stove and washer dryer here, utility sink and some good storage, door to the back. Off of this space, there is a little but very functional full bath. So you can see the tub here. And we go on a little adventure so we can get past these bunnies. Just poke out to the garage. You can see that's a concrete floor. Uninsulated, unheated garage space. There we go. Get most of it that way, hopefully. And from here, we'll head into the kitchen. Nice, big kitchen space, tons of storage, wall stove, upper and lower cabinets. And this is a nice big gas stove here with the hood. Sinks on the island. This is a laminate countertop, great big fridge, and little shelf pantry over here. There we go. Lots of storage, more storage in there. And then dining room, cellars are moving, so they've got a lot of stuff out on that porch. That would go, of course. And nice big field stone fireplace here. You can see the wood storage over in the corner. This is the door to the basement here, but we will head there after. All into the front hallway. Off to the right here. It's another really nice big room. The other side of that fireplace. Some built-in entertainment center here. And nice big picture window. Shows you the view there. Nice spot for a kitty. We'll head into the other room. There's the front door. They're obviously not using that too much. And yeah, I think this is downstairs primary bedroom. You can see still particle board flooring, but it's in good shape. Little closet there. Plenty of space for this 4-poster bed. Nice big room. And we'll head upstairs. So you can see these are easy to walk up these stairs, not too steep like you see in some old farmhouses. And there's lots of rooms up here, so we'll try not to get too turned around. Here's the first one here on the right. Here we go. Nice space. Good sized closet. From here, we'll head this way. Another little room here. Very sweet. Get this closet open. Yeah. Get the idea. Window looking out to the backyard. Really nice. That is the next house up there, so you kind of get a sense of the lay of the land here. This room is just storage. So let's see. Hopefully we can see here. Yeah, there we go. But it is a nice big storage space. Little closet that there's no longer a door on there. And here's the upstairs bath. Again, nice good sized space with the tub. Back out. Here's another nice big bright room, good sized room. Yeah, lots of sunlight in here. And another room here. And then we'll head back towards the stairs. And around this corner and this corner, just a little knee wall storage here. Yep, unfinished space, pretty straightforward. And into the rest of the upstairs. Again, you can see sort of knee wall storage all along the wall here. Sunlights. There's that closet. And here's the room at the end of the hall up here. There we go. Just see how it looks as you look back through. That is the upstairs. Okay, now I am back here in the kitchen with the stairs down into the basement. So you can see nice, big, easy access into this basement. This section that we're coming down to is poured concrete, but you can see over where Brandy is walking there and over this way, that is dirt floor basement. Over here, you can see over there, right where my head is hitting my shadow. That's a newer hot water heater. Here's the oil tank here. Oh, nice. Look at Brandy with the assist. There we go. Electric panel there. Looking a little full. Oh, there we go. Hot water heater there. And the expansion tank. So we'll go back over here, take a little look at the boiler. So there's the boiler there. You can see that has been updated recently, looking like it's pretty good, pretty tidy, in good shape. The cinder block chimney also is looking like it's relatively newer than the house and in great shape as well. Okay, back in the driveway, just to show this little section here. So there's the drilled well for the house. This back lot line is these trees. You can really kind of see it here. And there's the side of the garage. Everything's looking like it's in good shape back here. Yeah, nice open backyard. An entrance off of the dining room and the entrance off the mudroom. Little fire pit there. And some fenced in space. There's the basement access there, bulkhead exterior access. Yeah, some nice views. So the property lines for this property do drop down behind that house we could see from the front into this open space down here. And then that, you can see the next property is over behind it. So raspberry bushes. Looks like some remnants of some gardening. Nice, pretty big open field space for animals, if that's your pleasure. So yeah, great property here on Breezy Hill.